Tēnā tātou, mihi kaua ke ana ki a tātou katoa. Tōku ingoa ko Aukaha Kakau Dixon. Heuri ahau no tauranga moana, no te rohe whānui o Mātātua. He pānga hoki oku ki roto o te aroa, me tainui. Hoi anō e mihi kaua ke ana ki a tātou. Kia ora everyone, my name is Aukaha Kakau Dixon. I'm from Tauranga Moana, but I have ties within Te Arawa, Tainui, and all of Mātātua really, so mihi ana ki a tātou. Today we are talking about this new kaupapa we have going on called Mataraunui. So Mataraunui is a new, well I guess you could call it a rautaki whakarau ora reo, or a language revitalisation strategy, but this one more focuses on the use of te reo Māori in a social media setting. So the kaupapa Mataraunui was born out of the COVID-19 lockdown. I te timatanga tokowhitu o mātou, I roto i te kaupapa hoi anō ko heke ki ta tika ke tēnā ki te ripa. So there are now 5 of us running the kaupapa, 8 of us from different parts of the motu. So we have one from Ngāti Ranginui and Ngāti Rangatira, one from Ngaitahu, one from Tainui, one from Te Tairawhiti, and I represent Mātātua. And taiki te me ki tauranga moana. But, so Mataraunui's main objective is to provide a platform for people to learn their kōrero tuku iho, mainly for young people who don't live in their area. So, for example, if I lived in Wellington, grew up in Wellington, lived in Wellington my entire life, and I wanted to learn about tauranga, Mataraunui would be the kaupapa that I would go to, because it's there where we are telling our stories from the perspective of a rangatahi to the rangatahi. So Mataraunui, the name is from tauranga, from a mō te atea, te rā te marama. I won't go too much into that, but
save for another time.
Save it for later, but yeah, Mataraunui is born out of the need for rangatahi to reconnect spiritually and emotionally, because they're already there physically, so now we just need to strengthen that emotional and spiritual connection to their whenua.
Mean. And what some of the examples of the stories you've shared?
So some examples of the stories I've shared. I've shared a few on the hononga of tauranga to different iwi, so I've talked briefly about ngā hihi o kōpū parapara, which connects Ngāti Pukenga to Ngāti Ha, although Ngāti Ha was originally the predecessors of Ngāti Pukenga. I've also talked about the hononga between hononga between Te Whānau Apanui and Tauranga through the story of Kino Moirua and Apanui Ringamutu. Those are just a couple of examples that I've shared on Facebook and Instagram. Hei tiroha ngātu mā te hunga e hia ana.
Cool.
Yeah.
And so, plug the pages, please.
So on Instagram it's at Mataraunui, same on Facebook as well.
Cool. And for you, why do you do this?
Oh, ki au. Well, really, no one else is doing it, no. Like, mihi ana ki a te pāpārā Patrick, kua hia nei tau e toha kōrero ana, e toha whakapapa ana, but not saying that he's old, but he's older than me, so, a tōna wā ka hinga ia, and then we're just gonna muck around for a few years, and then we're going to be, oh, if only Patrick was here, if only ki te ora tonu mea. We shouldn't be doing that. We should be learning off them while they're here, so that when they go, we don't need them. Oh, you know, we don't need them because we know what they know, and we're bringing a fresh perspective, I suppose, on
Amazing.
things that are relevant to us and pertain to us as the rangatahi of today and the tupuna of our pōpō.
Beautiful. So, whānau, if you want to learn about those kōrero tuku iho, head over to Mataraunui. Tēnā koe te rangatira.